Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Agriculture is projected to account for 10% of local gross domestic product GDP in the short to medium term. Agriculture Minister Floyd Green says the impact of the sector on GDP would be greater reflected if agriculture-related manufacturing processes were categorized under the industry.
Last 10 or so years, we've been moving from contributing about 5% of GDP to now 8.3%, and we do expect to hit 10% in another 2 years or so. And I say that understanding that we do a very unfortunate thing in Jamaica where we disaggregate agriculture from agricultural manufacturers, and we count manufacturing separately from agriculture. So when you really count CB, which is an agricultural company, under our contribution to GDP, we will be far more than 8.3%.
He says the poultry industry contributes to more than 80% of the local agricultural GDP. Now, in local data collection, manufacturing is a standalone category and is not disaggregated to show agro-processing and other agriculture-related manufacturing processes. Jamaica has signed an agreement with the UK Export Finance in a bid to boost local export financing. UK Export Finance is the United Kingdom's export credit agency. Now, British High Commissioner to Jamaica, Judith Slater, says local firms are set to benefit from millions of dollars to help support their plans to send goods and services overseas.
Who have an appetite of £2 billion for Jamaica. In other words, £2 billion for underwriting is available. And we're working on, there's 4 big projects that were named as part of that agreement, but that is not an exhaustive list. We are keen to work on other big projects, and we have an extremely energetic colleague from UK Export Finance, Jessie McDoodle, who comes down to Jamaica. Any excuse to come down here, she takes to see what other projects we can be looking at.
She says traded investment between Jamaica and the United Kingdom has also increased.
We're giving £90 million worth of development aid to Jamaica over the 4-year period that we're in. We've increased our bilateral trade with Jamaica by 50% in the last couple of years. Obviously, some of that is recovery from COVID, but when you can go back before COVID and the numbers are still on the rise, which is really important. Most of that is services, but also it's not all services, and we're really keen to grow British exports, and we're really keen to help with this agriculture sector and its moving up the value chain.
As head to the markets now, after 3 consecutive days of intervention, the Jamaican dollar gained 28 cents against the U.S. currency. Trading ended with banks and Cambio selling the American dollar for an average $157.19. The Canadian is going for $116.18. The average cost for the pound is $197.07, while the euro is trading for an average $171.32. And the JSE index gained 439 points today, while the junior market index increased by 31 points. Among the 46 winners were MFS Capital Partners, First Rock Real Estate Investments, Jetcon Corporation, Cygnus Real Estate Financial Jamaican Dollar Shares, and Berger Paints Jamaica. The 44 losers were led by Blue Power Group, Paramount Trading Jamaica, General Accident Insurance Company JA, Epley's 7.5% preference shares due 2024, and Mayberry Jamaican Equities. Now 17 stocks closed the session, selling at the same price they started trading. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Keys. Please stay with us. Regional and international news, that's right after the break.